All right, guys, today we're going to talk about teen numbers. One important thing to know about teen numbers, that teen numbers always start with a 1. Teen numbers also have a group of 10 and some extra ones. Okay, so right here we know that this is the number 10. If I add one more, the next number after 10 is 11. We made the number 11. Here it is, and that's what it looks like in digits. All right. If I have 10 and 2 extra ones, that makes the number 12. Another way I can figure that out is by counting on from 10. I can say 10, 11, 12. This is 12. 12. All right, if I have 10 and 3 extra ones, that's the number 13. I can do that by counting on 2. Let's try it. 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. Good job. All right, if I have 10 and 4 extra ones, that is the number 14. If I have 10 and 5 extra ones, that's the number 15. 10 and 6 extra ones is the number 16. 10 and 7 extra ones is the number 17. 10 and 8 extra ones is the number 18, and 10 and 9 extra ones is the number 19. Awesome job. Let's look at it another way. All right, kiddos, let's build some teen numbers. The first thing I need to do is I need to build a 10 because I know all teen numbers have a 10. Now, I like to make my 10 like a 10 frame, even if I don't have the 10 frame, because I think it's easier to organize. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a row of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then another row of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I know just by looking at this, I don't even have to count, that I have 10. Okay, because I know that 2 rows of 5 makes 10, okay? So I have the number, right now, I have the number 10. Now remember, 10 is not a teen number, okay? But it does start with a 1. All right, let's build a teen number, okay? So I have 10, I'm gonna add some extra ones, okay? I'm gonna add 1, 2, 3 more, okay? So let's figure out what number I have now, okay? I have a group of 10 and 3 extra ones, okay? One way I can figure this out is by counting on. I don't have to count these because I already know it's 10, so I can catch the number 10 and count on. Let's try that together. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13. How many do I have? I have 13. Now, wait a minute. I don't know how to write 13. Well, I know all teen numbers start with a 1. And then how many extra ones do I have over here? I have 3 extra ones. So I know I can write the number 3. There you have 13. Really good job. Let's try another one. So I'm gonna erase. I'm gonna take away one of my extra ones, okay? Now I have a new teen number. I'm gonna count on again. Remember, I already know this is 10, so I don't have to count. I can just start at 10 and count on. Let's do that. Ready? 10, 11, 12. I have 12. Ooh, 12's tricky though. I don't remember how to write 12. But I do remember that all teen numbers start with a 1. Okay? And I know that I can look at my extra ones to figure out what number goes in my ones place. How many extra ones do I have? 2. Good job. So I can put a 2 here. And there is the number 12. Awesome job, guys. All right, let's do a bigger one. Okay? I'm gonna add some more. All right, let's try that one, okay? All right, so I know I have a group of 10, and then I'm in a Subutai, so I have 4 extra ones. Now, if you didn't know that that was 4, that's okay, because you can count. All right, so let's figure out what the teen number is. I already know it's gonna start with a 1 because all teen numbers start with a 1. But then I have to figure out what number it is and what goes here. So let's count on from 10 again. Ready? Here we go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, I hear the number 4 in the number, so I know that a 4 is gonna go here, but I can double check by looking. Yep, there's 4 extra ones, so I know it's gonna be 14. Awesome possum. All right, let's do another one. I'm going to take away some this time. All right. How many do I have now? Now, this one, I know that I have a group of 10 and one more. And I know that if you were counting, you say 10 and the next number is 11. So I think that the number is 11. Let's try it. 10, 11. It is 11. How do I write 11 though? A 1, And then how many extra ones do I have? 1. So I should write a number 1 here. Wow. Teen numbers are so cool. I love teen numbers. All right, let's do one more for today. We'll work on these more this week. Let's do one more. I'm gonna add a lot this time. I'm gonna add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm gonna try to do this one like a 10 frame too to help keep me organized. 6, 7, 8. All right, that's a lot of cubes. I know that I have 10 and then 9. 10 and 9. I bet some of you can figure out how to write this number, but do you know the name of this number? Let's count on to find out. Remember, we know this is 10, so let's count on. Here we go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Ooh, I misspoke there. There is 10 and 8 extra ones. Let's do that again. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. My number is 18. I know that it starts with a 1 and I hear an 8. So I'm going to write an 8. 18. But let's count these and make sure I'm right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got it. Notice I made a mistake on that one, but I went back and counted again to make sure I'm right. Something I notice a lot of my friends doing when they try to write the numbers and the teens, for 18, they'll go like this. That is wrong though, because it starts with an 8 and ends with a 1. We always have to start with the 1 for our group of 10. All right, if you have some sort of little pennies or marbles or marshmallows or Cheerios or something that you can build teen numbers with today, I would love it if you could try this at home and let me know how it goes. Talk to you guys soon. Goodbye. All right, guys, another way to look at teen numbers is to add a number in the ones place. So right here we have 10. But if I add a 1 in the ones place, my number 10 turns into the number 11. Then I can change that number 11 into the number 12. I can change it into the number 13. Change it into the number 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. And 19. Great job. Okay, now I'm going to change it into a certain number, and I want you to tell me what number it is. I'm going to mix them up a little bit. All right. What number is this? 13. Good job. All right. Back to our 10. All right, what number is this? 15. Awesome. All right. Ooh, what about this one? This one's a little trickier. This is the number 12. This is a number that lots of my friends struggle with sometimes, but this is the number 12. What number is that? 11. Very good. All right, what number is this? Good job. 19. What about this one? 14. How about this one? 17. How about this one? 16. How about this one? 18. Awesome job. Keep practicing those teen numbers.